Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I wanted to do three things. One, a company reached out to me for a product that they wanted me to review, and it's something that I think every YouTuber should have, especially starting off. Number two, the second thing I wanted to do, I said a couple of weeks ago that I wanted to do a spotlight of some of our different YouTube community creators, and I'm going to start that with this video, as well as three. I have a small haul that I would like to share with you, so I'm going to try to get this done as quick as I can, so let's jump right in. Now, a company that I have worked with before reached out to me to do a review on a 3-in-1 tripod, okay? And this tripod is called BlitzWolf, and I'll get a close-up look of this tripod here. Right now I'm going to share some things about this tripod. Alright guys, I'm going to do a review on a product that was sent to me by a company that I've worked with before, and they wanted me to take a look at a tripod, and it's called BlitzWolf. Alright, so I'm going to pop this open and I'm going to share with you this product here. This tripod is versatile. It's a 3-in-1 Bluetooth mini extendable folding tripod selfie stick. It is compatible with most Androids and iOS devices. It has a multi-angle switch between horizontal and vertical screen. It also rotates 360 degrees. It has a non-slip foot pad, and it has an aluminum alloy stick. It is very lightweight. It can fit in your pocket. Again, it's a universal phone clamp. Fits most smartphones. This can serve as a tripod as well as a selfie stick. Now, I placed my phone, my iPhone in here in the auto box. I have moved this thing all around. I'm loving the quality of this. It's very sturdy. You also have your USB cord, and it comes with another bracket here. Alright. But love that. I've also placed my Nikon Coolpix camera in here. Tried it in there as well. Love it. Like I said, the quality of it is good, and I think this is a very nice product. I think every YouTuber should have a hands-free small tripod. Information about this product and the company will be listed in my description box down below. The company's name is Solmore. I have worked with this company before. Love their products, and this is a good one also. Right now I'm going to share with you some pieces that I purchased for this room here, starting with this set of 4 decorative window panels. They ran $22.99 from Ross. I'm loving the silver grayish tone in them. Beautiful panels here. They have a grommet top to it. Very pretty. And I picked up these 2 beautiful ottomans in gray. They have the nail heads on them. The larger one was $24.99, and the smaller one was $14.99. Both ottomans open for storage. Love that. Picked these up from Ross. I also picked up 2 of these Tempo Shag Luxurious Shag Rug. I picked them up in 2 different sizes. Loving that pattern. The larger rug was $69.99 and the smaller one was $34.99. And I also picked up a all-surface non-slip rug pad from Ross. This was $6.99 and I picked up 2. And from Family Dollar I picked up this beautiful clock. I had been looking for one and nothing would hit me, and then I walked in Family Dollar just shopping for picking up a few things here and there and ran across this one. Very pretty. And lastly, I picked up this Blessed sign from Hobby Lobby. It was regular price $19.99 and I used my 40% off coupon. Next, guys, I am going to do a Diva spotlight. This person here that I want to spotlight this week is someone after my own heart. She loves to thrift. With these thrifting pieces that she finds, she beautifies her home and she puts together some beautiful, beautiful tablescapes. With that being said, this person, she participated in one of my recent collabs, the Show Some Love collab, and she did a DIY that just blew my mind. Really blew my mind to the point that I'm going to do that DIY on this video. I'm going to try to do it real quick. This person that I am spotlighting this week is none other than the beautiful and the fabulous Joan Brodie. She is such a beautiful person. Please go check out her channel. You will love it. She puts together some beautiful tablescapes with her thrift finds. She finds some amazing pieces. So please go check out her channel. You will love her. Now, Joan did a DIY on a collab that I hosted, the Show Some Love collab. So go check out her video. I told her when I saw these and watched her video that I was going to do these. I fell in love with them the moment I saw them. So I'm doing it pretty much exactly like she did it. You can go check her video out as well. But what I'm using some glass cleaner. I'm using this triple thick crystal clear glaze by Krylon. I'm using some Mod Podge. I'm using the gloss. Just have my X-Acto knife and a razor there. I picked this glitter up from Target. Sponges here. I also have some tape. And I have these clear dishes. Now I picked up a whole bunch of these, and I'm going to pick up more because I'm planning on doing me several sets in several colors. Okay, I want to do some pink ones, I want to do some silver, I want some gold, and you know I want some red. But today I'm doing them in a teal or turquoise color. All right, and that little bit of glass cleaner I have on this napkin here, I'm just going to spread it all around to clean my plate. So I'm going to move one of these plates to the side here, out of my way. Flip this over because what I want to do, I want to tape the top that you would eat on, all right? And I'm doing this all around, and it does not have to be neat, but I want to tape it because I don't want any of the glue or the glitter seeping underneath there, all right? That's why I'm doing this. Again, it does not have to be neatly taped. You just want that edge covered there. All right. And I'm going to go all the way around this plate like that. All right. Just like so. And I'm making sure I rub it around the edges there. Just like that, and I'm going to go all the way around making sure this is rubbed good here so the glitter won't seep to the front part of the plate that you will be eating on. Then I'm just going to flip it over. All right, and yes, you have the sticky part here, but that does not matter. Now you're ready to go to work on it. So now I'm going to take my Mod Podge here, and I'm going to pour a little bit, but I want to be very generous on this plate. All right, pour that much on it. All right, and I'm going to start spreading this Mod Podge around. Be generous with this. You want the glue, the sparkling glitter, to stick. All right, and it doesn't matter if it gets on that tape that you tape down. All right, because you're going to peel that away. But be generous with the glue, and you make sure you have it as smooth, the Mod Podge, as smooth as possible. Making sure I have the entire plate covered really well. I don't know if I mentioned I got these plates from the Dollar Tree, guys. I stocked up on them. Probably did mention it. Chalk that up to age. I'm not that old though. But yeah, I stocked up on these plates from the Dollar Tree. These are dinner size plates. I bought every last one they had in that one particular Dollar Tree. So I'm on the hunt for some more, because again, I want to make some more of these. I want to make the colors that I told you about there. And you guys know that the Mod Podge goes on white, but it will dry clear. Now here's the fun as well as the messy part. You're going to take your glitter and you're going to be generous with this glitter. Alright, and don't worry about, oh, it's a whole bunch of glitter going, because you can pick this up and put it back into your shaker here. So I'm being very generous because I want it to cover really, really well. And this project really doesn't take that long to do. The long part about it is the drying part. All right, after you do this step, takes quite a minute for it to dry. So I'm looking all around it. I think I got it covered really, really well. Now I'm gonna let this sit for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna do another coat of the Mod Podge and another coat of the glitter. All right. After that, I'm gonna let it sit probably overnight. And when I let it sit overnight, after that, I'm gonna hit it with this Krylon triple thick crystal clear glaze. All right. By using this, Joan said, you cannot put these dishes in the dishwasher, but you can hand wash them. You can eat on these. This will seal the glitter on the back of this plate here. It will seal it. All right. So I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna slide this one to the side. I actually have two. I made two yesterday because I was so excited. Made two yesterday, and they're almost dry. And but I'm gonna wait to seal them all together. All right. But I'm gonna make another one. I wanted a set of 4 of these teal, and I might end up making a set of 8. Who knows? But I really needed a set of 4. So I'm gonna make another one of these tealish, turquoise-ish plates, and I'll show you how they look. All right, so stay tuned. Now guys, this is one that I did yesterday. It's almost dry. I've let this sit overnight. It's got a little bit more drying to do, but I have pulled off the tape. You will have some, you know, a little of cleanup to do, and that's where that X-Acto knife is gonna come in. I'm just gonna clean these edges off. Should be very easy. I'm even breaking it off right now, but I'm gonna clean it off with my X-Acto knife here, and I should be good to go. Now after cleaning it up, this is how it looks. I just scraped the edges with my X-Acto knife. I'm going to continue to let this dry because it has a few spaces, but other than that, it's pretty much done, other than applying the glaze to the back to seal the glitter. But I just wanted to show you how it looks all cleaned up there. Very pretty. Well, that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of this family right here, the Diva family. And it's so simple to do just by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.